balance. The ability to remain stable when you are standing up.
平衡
You should keep your balance so you will not fall down easily.
你要保持平衡，才不會輕易掉下來。
Hop, animal. To move by jumping on all of its feet at the same time.
蹦跳
The rabbit hopped across the garden.
那隻兔子蹦跳着穿過花園。
Nickname. An informal name for someone or something.
別名
We used to call Bentley by his nickname, Ben.
我們會以賓利的別名賓來叫他。
Represent. To be a sign or symbol of something.
代表
The body of Merlion represents Singapore's origin as a fishing village.
魚尾獅的魚身象徵新加坡作為漁村的歷史。
Shy. Nervous and uncomfortable with other people.
害羞的
She was too shy to talk with her new classmates.
她太害羞，不敢與新同學說話。